The best Pakistani recipes for family dinner.
Pakistani cuisine is famous for its rich flavors, aromatic spices, and comforting dishes that bring families together. A family dinner in Pakistan is more than just a meal, it is a time for bonding, sharing stories, and enjoying homemade food prepared with love. From spicy curries to fragrant rice dishes, Pakistani recipes offer something for everyone.
Here are some of the best Pakistani recipes perfect for a family dinner. 1. Chicken biryani, the king of family meals. Chicken biryani is one of Pakistan's most loved dishes.
Made with fragrant basmati rice, chicken, yogurt, and a blend of spices, biryani creates a delicious and satisfying meal.
Why families love it?
Perfect for large gatherings.
Rich and spicy flavor. Easy to serve for everyone.
Serve it with raita, salad, and pickles for a complete dinner experience.
2. Nihari, a traditional favorite. Nihari is a slow-cooked meat stew traditionally prepared with beef or mutton.
It is cooked for hours with spices to create deep and rich flavors.
Best served with naan,
fresh ginger slices,
lemon wedges,
green chilies.
This dish is ideal for weekend family dinners. 3. Chicken karahi, simple and delicious.
Chicken karahi is prepared in a wok-like pan called a karahi. It uses tomatoes, garlic, ginger, green chilies, and fresh coriander.
Families enjoy chicken karahi because it cooks relatively quickly, uses simple ingredients,
has a fresh and spicy taste.
Pair it with naan or chapati. 4. Halim, a hearty dinner choice.
Halim combines wheat, lentils, meat, and spices into a thick, flavorful dish. It is rich in nutrients and very filling.
Top it with fried onions, lemon juice, fresh coriander, ginger strips.
This recipe is especially popular during celebrations and special family dinners.
5. Sikh kebab, a family barbecue favorite.
Sikh kebabs are made from minced meat mixed with herbs and spices, shaped onto skewers, and grilled.
Why they are great? Kids and adults both enjoy them. Easy side dish for dinner. Perfect with chutney and naan.
6. Aloo gosht, comfort food at its best. Aloo gosht combines tender meat and potatoes in a spicy curry.
It is a simple yet satisfying dish often found in Pakistani homes. Serve with rice, chapati, salad. Its homemade flavor makes it a comforting family favorite. 7. Palak gosht, healthy and flavorful. Palak gosht blends spinach with meat and spices. It provides a healthy balance while still delivering rich taste. Benefits: nutritious meal, packed with iron and protein, great for family dining. 8. Chapli kebab, crispy and tasty. Originating from Peshawar, chapli kebabs are known for their unique shape and spicy flavor. Serve them with yogurt sauce, naan, fresh salad. These kebabs can become the highlight of any dinner table. Tips for a perfect Pakistani family dinner. To make dinner more enjoyable:
include fresh salads and chutneys.
Serve warm naan or chapati. Offer desserts like kheer or gulab jamun. Prepare refreshing drinks such as lassi. Conclusion:
Pakistani family dinners are filled with flavor, tradition, and togetherness. Whether you choose chicken biryani, nihari, karahi, or halim, these dishes create unforgettable moments around the dining table. The best recipes are not just about taste, they bring people together and turn ordinary evenings into special memories.